What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another video. Today we are going to be doing a flip and lip using violet, neon orange, titanium white. We have a little bit of magenta in here. And we got an 24 karat gold from Deco Art Extreme Sheen using an 8x10 canvas. The last flip and lip I did, I loved it. So I want to continue that trend. So let's see, what color do I want to start with? I'm gonna say violet. How's everybody doing today? This is me at night pouring because I couldn't sleep and this should give me what I need to kind of wind down. But I hope everybody's doing amazing. It's another glorious day in Phoenix, or glorious night in Phoenix, I should say. Now, I'm not too worried about these colors churning. If you watched, I think it was 2 or 3 videos ago, I kind of gave you a quick demonstration on how you can avoid creating mud in your pours. And none of these colors are opposite of each other on the color wheel. So we shouldn't have any really crazy reactions. If you see the green paint that's in my pan right now, that was me not heeding my own advice for a pour. And I will show you that pour right after this. I'm not gonna show you the video because it didn't come out well, but for transparency's sake, I'm not gonna hide it from you guys, I'm gonna show it to you. Everybody makes mistakes, and mistakes are okay. Mistakes are the pathways to growth, and I still make mistakes to this day. Absolutely true. Nothing's ever gonna be perfect, and it's okay that it's not perfect. So, once we get this cup, layered up, I will slap down the muddy mess I made earlier and show you what not to do. I didn't follow my own advice, guys. I had greens and a hot pink, but the hot pink is close to the red, so they created some really not flattering colors. I'm being nice right now, saying not flattering colors. All right, let me grab this thing so you can see what I'm talking about. But yes, that is a whole lot of mud. There is a couple clean colors in there, but this was a mistake, and this will get poured over eventually. But yeah, see, I make mistakes too. Everybody does, and mistakes are okay. That's how we learn. Now, I'm also gonna break one of my other rules. I'm gonna put down the rest of this gold as a base coat. I'm hoping that it helps with cell development, but there's silicone in it, and typically I like to have a barrier between the canvas and the cup, or between the canvas and the paint with silicone in it. But this is gonna be one of those times where we don't have that. And I'm gonna spin this, try to widen that out. Wow, didn't do a good job with the foil, did I? Sounds like bicycle spokes. Let's see what's going on here. There it is. No, that's not it. Oh, it's in the bottom. All right, and with that, here's our beautifully layered cup right here, and it is begging me to be flipped. So I'm going to flip it. Can already see some of those cells just screaming to the surface there. Awesome. That is what we like to see. I'm doing that thing that everybody does, and like, I'm giving the paint time to flow down and settle at the bottom. I'm gonna flip it this way. All right, and I think we are almost ready to flip this thing. Let's get her done. Oh Lord, that is beautimous. Don't lose it. All right, that's cool looking. Now I used far too much paint, but I'm not gonna make the same mistake that I made earlier. I am going to spin this until it is a decent consistency and does not continue to move. Before that, I want to create some cells, which should be very easy. Oh yeah, there they all come, screaming to life. That's beautiful, guys. Look at those really bright oranges. It's a really nice color palette. Another color you could have added to this is possibly like a cerulean blue. That would have gave it some really nice contrast against that dark magenta and violet. It would have had a nice pop with the white too. All right, give it a nice, decent spin. That was a little harder than I like to, but I don't want to have too much paint on the canvas to the point where it, although it being a level surface, it still starts pushing out over the edge and then distorts the whole thing. And we got some big old bubbly cells in this one. Look at that. Wow. Let me get a thing to stop it with so I'm not putting my hand in a bunch of paint. Oh, that is really, really beautiful. Really, really big, bubbly, bright cells. Exactly what I love. All right, we'll take this, and then we're gonna get our cells within cells using this heat gun here. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time to coax those cells to coming into being. But even if they try to resist, we will still get the cells that we're looking for, you guys. We will. All right. Now I'm actually happy with that. I don't think I need to spin it anymore. Yeah, like we got some really cool webbing going on. Just the larger cells, they go really well together right now. They're not stretched out beyond what you would expect from a cell. So I'm very happy with that. I'm gonna bring you guys down. We're gonna check this thing out because I'm ready. Let's do it. That gold in this, I don't know, it's giving me some really like kind of fall colors, but also, I don't know, like flowers almost. It almost looks like it was a bloom from the way this thing is shaped, but yeah, that gold in there is beautiful. All right, so let's let this bad boy dry and we'll come and see it in a minute.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.